Cleaning your kettle isn't just about looks, it's about making sure every cuppa tastes as good as it should. Regular cleaning and descaling of your kettle with simple items like white vinegar or lemon juice will keep your kettle in tip-top shape. Firstly, how to clean the inside of the kettle. I like to use white vinegar. Start off by emptying the water in the kettle. Then mix 1.5 cups of water and 1.5 cups of white vinegar together and pour it into the kettle. Turn the kettle on and bring to the boil. Then let the water sit in the kettle for 20 to 30 minutes. Empty out the vinegar solution and refill with fresh water. Bring to the boil again and discard this water. Then fill with fresh water and you're ready to go. To clean the outside of the kettle, use a damp cloth to wipe over the surface of the kettle. Use a dry microfiber cloth to then buff the surface to prevent any water streaks. Now it's time to enjoy a nice cuppa.